everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a full review on the brand new NATASHA DENONA CIRCO LOCO palette. That is right, you guys. I got this in from Sephora a couple days ago, and I really want to try it out and test it with you guys. So that's what we're gonna do today. Yeah, I'm really excited. Let's just jump in. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. We're doing a lot of fun videos and reels and posts and stuff over there. And also follow me on TikTok because TikTok is poppin'. But let's go ahead and jump on into this palette. So this is a new limited edition palette from one of the queens of eyeshadow, NATASHA DENONA, and here is what the palette looks like. It's super duper cute. Now my mailman destroyed my palette when he gave it to me, so thanks so much, mailman. This shade right here came in super broken, but it's okay. Here is what the rest of the shades look like though. They are so pretty. I'm obsessed, and they're just really nice shades. And we'll go ahead and swatch a few of the shades as well, just because I love to see the pigment in these shadows. They're just crazy. So here are a few of the shades here. This one is Act. This one is Aerialist. This one is Flip. Or sorry, this one is Flip, and this one is Canon. So like it's all like Cirque du Soleil inspired, because it has like a lot of, you know, stage acting, Cirque du Soleil names and stuff, so it's super cool. But let's go ahead and get started here. I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna do with this palette today. I don't usually use palettes that are so colorful. I love colorful palettes, like I like wearing color and stuff, but I feel like I never know really what to do when it comes to these like super colorful palettes. I've got my eyes primed and set. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. It's called Fun to Mime. I'm gonna go into this shade right here, Fun to Mime, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in the crease. It's like a really pretty like light blue aqua shade. It's definitely very light. I'm glad that it's not super crazy pigmented. I feel like it's definitely less pigmented than most NATASHA DENONA shadows, but this first shade was too pigmented. It would be a lot. Like it'd be really hard to work with. So I'm glad that it's not too pigmented, but it's a nice blue color. I like it. And then you can just keep building it up if you want to have more pigment. And I think that's what we're gonna do right there for this shade. I'll do the other eye. It is a little more chalky than I'm used to. I feel like it is a shade that kind of fluffs away a lot easier, and I'm not used to NATASHA DENONA shadows doing that, and it's still working well, but I feel like it's a bit more chalkier than her normal shades. All right, so there's that. That's super cool already. I feel like I'm gonna do something like with blues or something, I don't know. Next up, I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Acrobat. It's that nice dark blue, kind of deep teal color. I'm gonna go into that and darken this up here. Oh yeah, kind of like that. It's blending pretty well. That blended really nicely. I'm really into that. And this shade is very pigmented. Definitely more pigmented than the first shade that we did, but it is just a really nice, vibrant blue. It's kind of like a deep turquoise. It's not like blue, but it's just a really nice, deep turquoise shade. And it just seems like it just blends really well. And I'm gonna go back into a tiny little bit of the first shade and just kind of put it right up here. Okay. And then, I think for the lid, what do I want to do? What I might do is I might go into a little bit of this shade called Snow Cone. It's like this pearlescent white blue shimmer. It's like a light blue. I feel like it'd be really pretty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is what I love, and you don't even need a setting spray for this. It's just good on its own. Okay, so there's that, and then I think I'm gonna come back to my eyes here in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face real quick off camera, but I will let you know the stuff that I use, of course. But yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, and I'm just all over the place today. My mind is just like not even here. I got the rest of my makeup done. I did my face makeup and my eyelashes and stuff like that. So for my primer, I used my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. For foundation, I used my Nars Soft Matte Foundation in the shade Santa Fe. I used, of course, my Tarte Shape Tape as my concealer. And then for my bronzer, I used my Ilia bronzer. And I used the Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable blush in the shade Nearly Neutral. And then for highlight, I used my Hourglass palette. Is that it? And then for my lashes, I used Lilly lashes in the shade Goddess, in the style Goddess. And then I just used my Tarte double take liner for my liner. And that's it. So now we're gonna go ahead and move back out. I just kicked my chair. We're gonna move back onto the eyes because we are gonna do the lower lash line. And I think I wanna go into this shade right here. It's called Magic. I want to go into this shade and do my lower lash line. I feel like a purple underneath would just be so pretty. Yeah! Well, I love that. I love that so much. And then for inner corners, I feel like maybe I'm going to do this shade right here called Aerialist. It's just a really, really nice silver. We're just gonna go all in on the color today, you know, because why not, you know? It's like a Cirque du Soleil inspired palette, so like we might as well just go all in. So maybe I'll do a little bit of tight line on my lower lash line. If I had a different color, I would use a different color, but I only have black. It's been a minute since I've done a black tight line. Wow. I'm gonna do some bottom mascara. All right, and now that we look like a full-on bird of prey, or bird of paradise, however you wanna say, I think we're almost done. I am going to, again, do a little star, because, I don't know, it'd just be really cute. Little star, because it's like Cirque du Soleil themed. I just like the little star stamps. They're just adorable. And for lipstick, I don't really know what to use for that. I think I'm gonna go into this Nars Power Matte Lip Pigment. This is in the shade American Woman. God, I really love these. I don't use them as often as I used to, but I love these. They're so nice. But you guys, this has been the look that we did create today using the brand new NATASHA DENONA CIRCO LOCO palette. I think this palette is really, really good. I really enjoyed it. This look is super duper cool. I love it. I love how vibrant everything is. Now, I feel like, you know, I review makeup, so of course I bought this, you know, to do the review, but I feel like this is definitely not going to be like an everyday palette for anybody. I feel like if you get this, you're probably just a collector like myself. But I feel like you can get some really, really awesome looks out of this though. Like out of the palette, like there's so many different kinds of colors that you can use and get really, really cool looks out of it. So if you are into those shades, then I think that you would really like it, but I don't see how it could be like an everyday kind of look. Unless you love wearing like colorful makeup every day, then by all means, hell yes. But yeah, you guys, this is the look. I really like it. I think the shadows performed very well. I'm not disappointed in the slightest. I think that they worked great. Definitely on par with other Natasha Denona shadows that I've used in the past. That lid shade is my absolute favorite. I thought it was stunning. I love it. But yeah, all in all, I really loved the palette, and yeah, definitely give it like a 9 out of 10. It was really good. But yeah, you guys, that's going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!